Quick tips to create construction line. You can select construction line from the drop panel. Okay, or you can enter XL in the command box. Now construction command line activated. So here you can see 5 options. First, I enter H, enter, only create horizontal construction line. Okay, then again I click, so V, enter. Now I can able to create vertical construction line. Okay, again enter. Third option, angular, so A, enter. Just I create angled line. Okay, next enter bisects, B, enter. So now I create one bisects. So I can able to create lines this particular point, that is called bisects construction line. So this particular point I can able to create multiple bisects lines. Okay, next offset, O, enter. So now offset distance, just I click which line I want to offset it, just I click and enter, offset it continuously. I can click, I can offset it continuously. Okay, if I want to change my value, just enter again, offset, change value, just click and click which side you want. You can able to offset it easily, whatever. Okay, any side, nothing to worry about, offset it. Okay, thanks for watching.